Welcome to Bestsellers Market, the ultimate destination for discovering the top products across various categories. Today we have an exciting countdown lined up for you, showcasing the best-selling alignment tools available on Amazon. These tools are essential for achieving precision and accuracy in your projects, whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast. So, without further delay, let's dive right in and explore the top alignment tools that have earned their place as bestsellers on Amazon.
Number 5 on our list of the best-selling alignment tools on Amazon is the Dorman 14523 Clutch Alignment Tool. This handy tool is specifically designed for select Chevrolet, GMC, and Pontiac models. Let's dive into what makes it a top choice among mechanics and car enthusiasts alike. Imagine you're in the middle of a clutch installation. Precision is paramount. Any misalignment can cause significant issues down the line. That's where the Dorman 14523 Clutch Alignment Tool comes into play. This tool ensures proper alignment during clutch installations and service, making your job easier and more efficient. It's all about doing it right the first time. But what about durability? You need a tool that won't let you down. Made from high-quality materials, the Dorman 14523 is built to last. This means you can rely on it for performance and long service life, job after job. It's a convenient solution that saves you time and hassle, helping you restore functionality with ease. And let's not forget about trust. This tool is backed by a team of product experts right here in the United States, supported by more than a century of automotive experience. You're not just buying a tool, you're investing in reliable, trustworthy quality. To ensure a perfect fit, just input your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the garage tool on Amazon. It's that simple. The Dorman 14523 Clutch Alignment Tool, your key to flawless clutch installations.
Number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling alignment tools on Amazon is the Dorman 14522 Clutch Alignment Tool, compatible with select Chevrolet and GMC models. Let's delve into what makes this tool a must-have for any serious mechanic or car enthusiast. Picture this. You're tackling a clutch installation, a task requiring precision and accuracy. Any misalignment can spell disaster, leading to more repairs down the line. Enter the Dorman 14522 Clutch Alignment Tool. This indispensable device ensures proper alignment during clutch installations and service, allowing you to complete the job with unmatched accuracy. It's all about getting it right the first time, every time. Durability is key when selecting tools for your garage. The Dorman 14522 doesn't disappoint. Crafted from top-notch materials, it guarantees reliable performance and a long service life, standing up to the rigors of frequent use. It's a convenient solution that not only saves you time but also restores functionality seamlessly. Trust in the quality of your tools is paramount. Backed by a team of product experts in the United States with over a century of automotive experience, the Dorman 14522 Clutch Alignment Tool brings you trustworthy quality. When you choose Dorman, you're choosing reliability and expertise. Ensuring a perfect fit for your specific vehicle is a breeze. Simply input your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool on Amazon. It's straightforward and hassle-free. The Dorman 14522 Clutch Alignment Tool, precision, durability, and trusted quality, all in one essential tool. Number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling alignment tools on Amazon is the 43300 Pneumatic Fan Clutch Wrench Kit. This versatile toolkit is a game-changer for those working with Ford, GM, Chrysler, and Jeep vehicles. Let's explore why it's such a standout. First up, wide compatibility. This kit works with a range of models, including 4, 3L, 5, 0L, and 5, 7L GM pickups. Whether you're handling a Ford, Chrysler, GM, or Jeep, this tool has got you covered. It's an all-in-one solution for a variety of vehicles, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. The kit includes 7 driving wrenches in sizes 32 mm, 36 mm, 40 mm, 47 mm, 7/8, 1/7/8, and 2. Plus, it comes with a 17 long handle and a convenient storage bag. Make sure to confirm the appropriate size before purchase to ensure you've got the right fit for your job. Ease of use is another highlight. Slip the tool into your air hammer, select the correct wrench size for the fan nut, and with just a couple of pops from the air hammer, the fan clutch is loose. No need for any additional special pinning tools. Quick, efficient, and hassle-free. Note, air hammer is not included. High quality is a given. The wrenches are crafted from sturdy steel with a black finish, ensuring high strength and durability. They're designed to withstand corrosion and rust, offering you long-lasting performance you can rely on. And when it comes to storage, the blow-molded plastic case keeps everything well organized. It's easy to store and transport between jobs, ensuring your tools are always ready when you need them. The 43300 pneumatic fan clutch wrench. Kit, wide compatibility, ease of use, high quality, and easy storage. A top choice for any mechanic's toolkit. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling alignment tools on Amazon? Well, don't let your repairs get out of line. Be sure to clutch that like button, rent yourself a subscription, and press the bell icon to keep your toolkit updated with the latest and greatest. Number 2 on our countdown of the best-selling alignment tools on Amazon is the dual clutch transmission clutch motor electromechanical unit unlock tool. This tool is a must-have for those working with Ford's DSG 6-speed transmissions. Let's dive into what makes it essential for your toolkit. Functionality at its best. This tool is designed to unlock the dry dual clutch transmission clutch motor electromechanical unit. Simply insert the reset tool into the lever actuator hole and turn it anti-clockwise to set the new clutch. It's that straightforward. Precision and ease combined into one powerful tool. This tool is specifically compatible with Ford's DSG 6-speed dual clutch DPS6 transmission. Whether you're working on a Ford Fiesta from 2011 to 2019, a Focus from 2012 to 2018, a 2019 Transit Connect, or a Ford B-Max since 2012, this tool has you covered. Its versatility across various models makes it indispensable. Let's talk specifics. This tool boasts a 6 mm size with 14 teeth, and it's equipped with a 1/4 inches drive. These specifications ensure it fits perfectly and operates smoothly, giving you the confidence to handle clutch resets with precision. When it comes to material, quality is paramount. Crafted from high-quality steel, this tool promises durability and long-lasting performance. It's built to withstand the demands of frequent use, ensuring it remains a reliable part of your toolkit. The dual clutch transmission clutch motor electromechanical unit. Unlock tool. Unmatched functionality, wide compatibility, precise specifications, and superior quality. A crucial tool for anyone dealing with Ford's DSG 6-speed transmissions. And now, we arrive at the pinnacle of our top 5 best-selling alignment tools on Amazon. Number 1 is the BETOOLL 8PCS Pneumatic Fan Clutch Wrench 43300 Fan Clutch Removal Toolkit. This auto repair spanner kit is the ultimate solution for your fan clutch removal needs. Let's break down why it's the top choice. Fitment versatility is at the heart of this tool. Compatible with Ford, GM, Chrysler, and Jeep, it's designed to fit 4, 3L, 5, 0L, or 5. 7L GM pickups, whether it's a van, minivan, or SUV. Before you purchase, just make sure you've got the size you need. Speaking of sizes, this kit doesn't disappoint. It includes 7 driving wrenches, 7/8, 32 mm, 36 mm, 40 mm thin, and 47 mm sizes to fit Ford 6, 0L and 6, 4L Powerstroke diesel pickups, plus 178. And 2 inches wrenches are also part of the set. This comprehensive range ensures you're prepared for a variety of tasks. Ease of use is a standout feature. Slip the tool into your air hammer, select the correct wrench size for the fan nut, and with just a couple of pops from the air hammer, the fan clutch is loose. No need for any other special pinning tools. Quick, efficient, and hassle-free. Just note that the air hammer is not included. Durability and quality are assured. Made of sturdy steel, this tool offers high strength and durability with excellent resistance to corrosion and rust. It's built to withstand the demands of frequent use, providing you with long-lasting performance. To top it all off, it comes with a premium packaging box, making storage and transport a breeze. Everything stays organized and ready for your next job. The BETOOLL 8PCS Pneumatic Fan Clutch Wrench 43300 fan clutch removal toolkit, unmatched fitment versatility, a comprehensive range of sizes, effortless usability, high-quality construction, and convenient storage. That's why it's number one in our countdown of best-selling alignment tools on Amazon. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling alignment tools on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.